Hi, I'm Diego, and you're watching Ruscam. My name is Diego Samuilov. I work in the IT business.
Yeah, what's the name of the company?
It's Nordis Direct.
Okay.
It's in the direct communications business, but on my spare time, I do a lot of work on the mobile side. I write on my blog. I try to aim into explaining and trying to evangelize a little bit of Windows Phone to the readers.
Well, that's great. So let me get this straight. During the day, you're an IT professional, and during night, you are a Windows Phone 7 developer.
Yes.
See that? Yeah, it can be done. Very exciting time for you, huh? You showed me an incredible thing yesterday. Why don't you go lift that book up and show us what you wrote?
Yes.
Show it right to the camera, right there.
I finished writing and publishing my book. It's called Windows Phone for Everyone.
I love that cover, man. Did you do that?
Yes, I actually did it myself.
Wow, that's awesome. That's awesome. I love it. So is this your first book that you've written?
Yes, it's my very first book.
I come over here and congratulate you on that one. That's a lot of work, man.
Thank
awesome
you very much.
job.
It was.
Awesome.
It was actually a lot of work. Windows Phone is the best OS you can use for a transition from a feature phone into a smartphone. It's very easy to use, very easy to understand, but if you get to it from not using a smartphone ever before, it might be a little bit challenging getting that transition going.
Right.
So, in this world there are no manuals of anything, everything has to be online, everything's available. So I figured, well, I'm going to write something that's going to help people get there or get there faster.
Right.
A regular user that doesn't know how to use a smartphone would be able to get there in maybe a month or two, getting to use all the features that Windows has to offer. It's that easy.
Yeah.
But what if, what if you could get there in reading a book in a week?
Yeah.
So if you can read the book in about a week, you'll be there in, being able to master it within a week.
Well, that's cool, and Component One, right, recently was acquired, right, by Grape City. What do you think about that? Pretty good?
Oh, I think that's awesome.
Yeah, it's a really good buzz this week going on that particular acquisition. It just kind of makes sense. And for you, we got Windows Phone controls, right? So we'll have to have you check those out now.
Excellent.
Right, and start maybe incorporating those, and you can write a book about those if you want. Feel free, okay?
Yeah, of course. Why not?
I got, another really important question. Can I please have your autograph? Can you autograph that book for me?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, there it is. I'm getting this John Hancock. Oh, look at that. I got my own autographed copy. You the man. Thank you very much. I appreciate you being on Ruscam. And hey, enjoy the rest of the conference.
Thank you very much. You too.
So I'm Paul Stubbs. I'm an architect on the Azure Center of Excellence in Microsoft Services. We had a great keynote. We've been working with Aflac.
Oh yeah? Well, how did it go with the keynote this morning? Is it people pretty engaged?
Yeah, it was a lot of great information about Azure was shown. A lot of the new features that are coming out, and it's just been great.
Well, sorry to interrupt you. So you're talking about the Aflac then,
so Aflac demo that they showed running SharePoint in a Windows Azure virtual machine was a customer that I've been working with, and we've actually built an entire fully enterprise-ready, fault-tolerant, multi-core SharePoint farm running in Windows Azure and the new IS VM role.
Oh, that is cool.
Yeah.
Holy smokes. So what else you been working on, man? You've been keeping me pretty much busy right there, huh?
Just Azure, a lot of the new features in Azure, writing Azure applications, helping customers build proof of concepts in Azure, and just all around, a lot of fun doing the cloud.
And what else stood out with you at the keynote today? Any other demos or anything that you watched?
There was a lot of good information. Like there was a great demo running against Twitter to be able to analyze all of the Twitter feeds coming from massive amounts of data, and how you can analyze and slice that data into different views. So that was pretty compelling.
So, what do you think of this announcement, huh? With Grape City acquiring Component One.
Well, I think I said it earlier, which was wow.
Yeah, I know you did. Yeah, it's some great stuff. We're getting some good reactions from a lot of folks, I can tell you that much.
Yeah, it's going to be great. I mean, I think Grape City was a great company, and Component One, and having those come together is just, it's going to be really good.
Yeah, so behind you we got the Component One Studio Enterprise booth. We got Weegmo over there. Of course, we got the Grape City Active Reports down there. So we're just getting ready for the big expo party here before the masses come in with everybody getting their beer and food. So we're looking forward to that.
Cool.
And so what are your thoughts on this Tech Ed in general? So far, so good?
It's good, yeah. You know, like I have a session on Thursday, which is people should watch. It's AZR 327, and I'm basically going to deconstruct the keynote demo and show you how that works and how you can run SharePoint in Azure yourself, which is going to be, you know, something that people haven't seen before and that people are dying to do, right?
That's awesome. So. That is awesome. Well, it's good to hear from you again, man, and
cool.
Keep up the good work.
Thanks.
And say hi to everybody for me back at the ranch.
Great.
Get UI controls for data visualization, layout, input, and more inside the Component One Windows 8 Studios. Designed to enhance the rich user experience of Windows 8, these controls give you powerful and unique functionality to help you build better and more compelling Windows Store apps. No matter whether you develop in C#, VB, or JavaScript, Component One has controls for you. Visit componentone.com/winrt to learn more and download the controls today.
Hi, I'm Paul Stubbs, and you're watching RussCam.
Yeah, nice job, man. Great job. Go to gvtv.gcpowertools.com, your online source for developer news. Plus, follow us on Twitter and Facebook.